Good morning, student. Welcome to your maths class. Our lesson for today is application of percentage, in which you are going to study about simple interest. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, students, you people are able to recall the simple interest, memorize the concept of simple interest, remember the formula for simple interest and amount, calculate the real life problems of the simple interest. The various terms used in simple interest. First of all, we are going to use about principal, which you have already studied in class 5. Money deposit in a bank is called principal. Time, for how long we deposit that money, is a time period of time period. Time period after which money we withdraw from is called time. After that, we are also going to learn about rate of interest. The extra money paid by bank for every 100 rupee after 1 year is a rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? The extra money paid by the bank. Simple interest formula. We can calculate the simple interest by very simple formula, that is P into R into T by 100, where P is a principal, R is rate of interest, T is the time period. Amount. Amount is the total of the principal and the simple interest paid. Amount is P plus SI. P is a principal where SI is a simple interest. Let us solve worksheet 4.
Let us start doing the sum number second. Find the amount from the investment of rupees 4,500 for 2 years at 5 paisa per rupee interest. Here in this sum, they have given you a principal. The investment is of rupees 4,500. Now, for how long this investment? Time period, that is equal to 2 years. Rate of interest. Rate of interest is equal to 5 paise per rupee. So we people know that rate of interest is always in percentage. So we are going to find the percent of this. So 5 paise per rupee, we just convert into rupees, 5 upon 100. Then we multiply this with 100 to convert into percentage. 100 and 100 cancel, we are getting 5%. Rate of interest is 5%. Now we are going to calculate simple interest. You know the formula, P into R into T by 100. Principal 4,500, rate 5%, time period 2 by 100. Zeros and zeros cancel. 5 to the 10, rupees 450. This is a simple interest, but we have to find the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal rupees 4,500 and simple interest rupees 450. That is equal to 450. We are going to add 4950. Hence, the amount is rupees 4,950. So you should write the conclusion line. Amount is 4,950. Let us start sum number 3. Ramesh took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank at 12% per annum. He paid it back after 7 months together with the interest. It means amount. Find the amount he paid to the bank. Let us solve. What they have given us? They have given us principal. P, that is equal to rupees 80,000. Time period, that is 7 months. Now we know we are going to take a time period in years because rate of interest is per annum. 7 by 12 years because 1 year is equal to 12 months. Now rate of interest, that is equal to 12% per annum. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Principal rupees 80,000 multiply rate 12, time period 7 by 12 upon 100. 12 and 12 cancel, zeros and zeros cancel. Rupees 7 8s are 56 and 800s 20, 5,600. This was a simple interest. What we have to calculate? Amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal rupees 80,000, simple interest rupees 5,600 rupees. When you are going to add 8560, 85,600. Hence Ramesh paid rupees 85,600 to bank. Solve sum number 4. In your sum number 4, Rahul deposits 7,000 at 7% per annum for 4.5 years. And Rohan deposit 7,000 at 6% per annum for 5 years. Who will get more interest and what amount each will get? Here we will have two different cases. One is for Rahul and other is for Rohan. Let us solve for both. Rahul. For Rahul, principal is equal to rupees 7,000. Time period 4.5 years. Rate of interest is 7% per annum. Now we just calculate the simple interest. Simple interest P into R into T by 100. Principal rupees 7,000 multiply 4.5 means 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 years. 9 by 2 into 7 by 7%, 7 upon 100. These two are cancelled, 0 and 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6, 5, 35. Now you should multiply 35 into 63. 9 7s are 63. 5 3s are 15, 1 6 plus 1. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 33, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21, 5 0 2 2. Rupees 2,205. This is the simple interest for the Rahul. Now we are going to find for Rohan. For Rohan the principal is same, that is 7,000. Rate of interest 6%. Time period 5 years. Simple interest P into R into T by 100. Now 7,000 multiply 6 multiply 5 upon 100. Zeros and zeros cancel. 6 5s are 30, 33s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 30 ki 0, 70 ki 0. Rupees 2,100. Now who will get the more interest? So you can guess from here who get the more interest? Yes, it's Rahul. Rahul will get the more interest. Now we are going to find the amount for them. Amount in case of Rahul, what was the amount? Principal plus simple interest. So amount is equal to rupees 7,000 plus rupees 2,205. That means rupees 9,205. Similarly, here the amount is equal to rupees 7,000 plus 2,100. That means rupees 9,100. So in your conclusion line you will write, hence Rahul gets more interest than Rohan, and amount for Rahul is rupees 9,205 and for Rohan is rupees 9,100. Let us solve sum number 5. Ramit deposit rupees 80,000 in a bank. He deposit rupees 80,000 which pays him interest 6%. After 3 years, time period is 3 years, he withdraws the money and buy a car for rupees 90,000. How much money is left? Now how much money Ramit will get? That will be the amount. Simple interest plus amount. Principal plus simple interest. Principal is rupees 80,000. This he has deposit. This money is going to get as well as the interest. Let us find how much money Ramit get after 3 years. Principal. First of all, we are having principal rupees 80,000. Now, for how long he has deposited? That is the time period. Time period is 3 years. For 3 years he has deposited. Rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 6% per annum. Now, we are going to calculate simple interest. Simple interest is P into R into T by 100. That means rupees 80,000 multiply 3 multiply 6 upon 100. Zeros and zero cancel. When we multiply, we are getting 14,400. This is the simple interest which Ramit is going to get after 3 years. The amount he withdraw from the bank. Amount withdraw for the bank is equal to the principal plus simple interest. That is rupees 80,000 plus rupees 14,400. That means rupees 94,400. This much amount Ramit get from the bank. Now he wants to purchase a car whose cost is rupees 90,000. Cost of car. First of all, we write the total money. Ramit withdraw, that is equal to rupees 94,400. Cost of car, that is given to you 90,000. Money left with Ramit. How much money is left with him? Money left means subtraction. We must subtract these two. So after subtraction, what we are getting? 4,400. So in conclusion line, what you will write? Money. How much money left with him? Hence, money left with Ramit is rupees 4,400.